going to start the song off with this D minor 7 bass chord. We have the open D string, first finger 10th fret of the G, pinky finger on 13th fret of the B string. We're going to strum down, 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 up, and then a little mute strum before we go to like an A minor 7 chord. Open A, first finger 10th fret of the D, and the third finger on the 12th fret of the D string. Here we're going to strum up, up, mute, up, open. So we've got the D minor 7, down, 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 up, mute, up on the A minor, up, mute, up, open. We then go to another A minor bass chord. Third finger 12th fret of the A, we've got first finger on the 10th fret of the D, pinky finger on the 12th fret of the G. Also going to sometimes hear that open B as well. We've got a quick down, up, down, 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 up, mute, down, 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 up, mute. Before we go to our last chord, which is a G bass chord, first finger 10th fret of the A, third finger 12th fret of the D, open G, and the pinky finger on the 12th fret of the B. Here we've got up, up, mute, up, down, up, mute, up, down. And then the very last two beats, we go back to our first chord, that D minor 7 bass chord, open D, 10th fret on the G, 13th fret on the B, and we've got a quick down up. So the whole thing slowly, D minor 7, down, 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 up, mute, up on A minor, up, mute, up, open, swap to the new A minor, down, 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 up, mute, swap to the G, up, mute, up, down, swap to the D minor, and then a quick down up. We then have some single strum chords. It's an A chord, 7 on the G, 6 on the B, 5 on the high E. On the fourth beat of that first bar, move up here to 14, 13, 12, same shape. This is an E major chord. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we'll do the same chord again, E, 1, 2, 3, and on the fourth beat, we'll go to like a G5 chord, 12th fret on the G, and then a third pinky finger bar here, on the 15th fret of the B and high E strings. Same strum, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, E, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, 3, G, 2, 3, 4. We then have a picking riff that is based around the same chords. It's that A shape, 7, 6, and 5. We're going to pick G, B, E, B, G, B, E, B. Like that, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... We'll then move up to 14, 13 and 12, do the same picking, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then another time through the pattern, just once this time, G, B, E, B. Then we're on the G string, we'll go 14, 14, 13, 12. Jump up to 15 on the high E, back to 12 on the G twice, 15 on the B, 12 on the G, 13 on the B. So, slowly. A chord, E chord, half a bar, 14, 13, 12, and then a little. For the link sections in the song, we'll go to this F power chord. A little bit heavier on the guitar too. It's first fret on the E string, third fret on the A, third fret on the D, and we're going to strum down in 8th notes. But on the fourth beat, we're going to take the first finger off, so it'll be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And then we'll put it back on for the 4 and. For the bridge, we're going to use the chords from the intro. They're going to be slightly different actually, and the rhythm is different too. So the first chord is like that D7, but this time we're going to add the third finger to the 12th fret of the D string. First finger is still on the 10th fret of the G, and the pinky finger on the 13th fret of the B, and we've got this rhythm, down, 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. We'll then swap the first and third fingers over, so 10 on the D and 12 on the G, and then we'll still have 13th fret on the B string, same rhythm. Then go to the kind of normal chord, 12, 10, 12 and open B, and we've got that. same rhythm, and then to our G chord, 10, 12, open and 12, same rhythm. So the first chord, 12, 10 and 13, 10, 12 and 13, 12, 10, 12 and open, and then 10, 12, open and 12. For the outro, we go back to the F power chord, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and we'll play this 8 times. And then on the 9th time, we just stay on the F power chord, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then on the next bar, we do kind of half the bar here, 1 and 2 and up to 3, 5 and 5, a G power chord. Back to that F power chord, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then on the very last bar, it's kind of 1 and 2 and 3, 5, 5, 5, down to 2, 4, 4, and then back to the F, and we're kind of slowing down as we do this. So the 9th bar,